Hello and welcome to Prudent Media News. First a look at the headlines. Chief Electoral Officer tells government to defer induction of Alina Saldanha in cabinet till by-election is over. Objection over cabinet expansion due to code of conduct. Chief Minister says Alina will join the cabinet on Tuesday. He has every right to do so. Government contemplating upon auction of new mining leases to bring more transparency in the process. Old mining leases to stay as it is, mining policy by June end. Bharatveer Vanchu sworn in as new governor of Goa, stresses on need for balanced progress and growth, says government has majority, no question of instability. Pense Commission's report on cricket ticket scam still valid. Chief Minister says he will seek legal advice on reopening the report. Criminal investigation may go on. Champions Dempo Sports Club will be presented I-League trophy in Kolkata on Saturday. Last year's champion Salgaonkar finished outside top 5. Former champs Churchill can still finish third. I-League concludes on Sunday. Now the news in detail. Parrikar might not be able to induct Alina Saldanha in his cabinet before Kottali by-election. Chief Electoral Officer has asked the state government to defer induction of Alina till the by-election is over. They have also asked for the opinion of Chief Election Commissioner on cabinet expansion during Code of Conduct. Meanwhile, Advocate Iris Rodriguez has filed a complaint with the Election Commission objecting to Alina's induction.
Constitution of India provides any induction of any minister. So I think you have to ask question to yourself whether Constitution of India is supreme or a code is supreme. Legally, maka je provision dila pada under Article 163, 162. Any minister is induced in the cabinet on advice of the chief minister to the governor. Read Article 163, 164. Tatin Barela provided that there is no election code is in force. My constitution ji maka power dita how can I surrender it to some code which even is not a legal document?
He believes that he can induct Alina in spite of the code of conduct, but Advocate Iris Rodriguez believes otherwise. He says induction would amount to violation of the code.
Alina Saldanha is a probable BJP candidate for the Kottali seat. So given that she is a candidate, it is very improper and illegal to induct a candidate as a cabinet minister. This complaint has today been filed before the Election Commission. I have also drawn the attention of the Chief Electoral Officer that the Chief Minister of Goa has been violating the Model Code of Conduct.
Chief Electoral Officer has asked the state government to defer Alina's cabinet induction till the by-election is over. They have asked for the opinion of Chief Election Commissioner in this regard.
We have received the complaint and we have addressed a letter to the government advising to defer this till by-elections are over. Simultaneously, we have referred it to Election Commission also for clarification. So time being, we do not know the same person would be the contesting candidate, but otherwise we have advised the government sufficiently to defer this matter. So as far as our knowledge goes, if a person can be inducted, any person can be inducted by the government concerned, and the elections to be held within 6 months of induction, so that would be formalized. But here the problem is, the situation is that the elections are declared, Model Code of Conduct has come into force, and there is a rumor that the prospective candidate is going to be inducted. So it is a case to be clarified, and we are referred to Election Commission also, and we will await for that.
Interestingly, a sharp political move by the BJP to attain advantage during Kottali by-election has definitely received a setback due to this development. CM wants Alina in his cabinet before the election, whereas Election Commission is in no mood to allow it. Will this lead to another constitutional confusion? Our reporter Jason Suarez with video journalist Dinesh Karpe.
Government is contemplating auction of new mining leases. Henceforth, mining companies might have to take leases in auction. Parrikar said that auctioning the mining leases would help in bringing transparency in allotment of leases. Government would form policy on mining by June end.
Government is thinking about auctioning of new mining leases while forming policy on mining. Chief Minister hopes that this step would bring transparency in allotment of mining leases. He clarified that this is not possible in the case of old leases. Manohar Parrikar was speaking on the sidelines of Governor's swearing-in ceremony at Raj Bhavan. New policy on mining would be formed by June end.
माझे एक पर्सनल मत की जेन्ना राष्ट्रीय संपत्ती जेन्ना एखाद्या मनशाक दिता तेन्ना transparency demands that it should be auctioned or given in a transparent manner. I will deploy all these matters for a new lease. Old lease I can't do it because they come out of 1905 Portuguese decree. Therefore I can't change the old leases. But I assure you that आमचो साधारण मे and जुनाच्या 15 के भितर that period we will complete the mining policy. For new leases I will definitely ensure that such type of aspects are taken into consideration. Auction. It's a very complex. I have not said auction. I said that there are complex reasons how the leases has to be ended. पहिली म्हणजे major mineral I have no right. But major mineral, if I have to give NOC, I can create some transparent method. Contrary I apply केलो ताका दिले अशें न्हय. I will advertise it that such and such lease is available.
आता पेंडिंग
हांवें information commission चें केलें.
आता पेंडिंग जेणी.
A reporter from Panji Laukik Shilkar with senior video journalist Tulsidas Chari.
New Goa Governor Bharat Veer Vanshu took the oath of office on Friday. While speaking after taking oath, he said that the BJP-led government is stable and he would perform his duties according to the constitution. He stressed on the need for balanced progress and growth in the state.
I, Bharat Veer Vanshu, do solemnly affirm that I will faithfully discharge the functions of the Governor of Goa and will, to the best of my ability,
आपके स्टेट में तो अभी इलेक्शन हुआ है और अच्छा बहुमत चीफ मिनिस्टर साहब के पास है, तो मुझे तो इंस्टेबिलिटी नज़र नहीं आती है और जो मेरा कर्तव्य होगा कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन के हिसाब से उसी हिसाब से मैं काम करूँगा. आई एम न्यू टू दिस स्टेट एंड आई नीड टू लर्न अ लॉट अबाउट गोवा. आई नीड टू सी द ब्यूटिफुल साइट्स ऑफ द स्टेट. द स्टेट इज़ विटनेसिंग tremendous progress, growth and development, and I feel this is a wonderful thing. Though I must say I also feel that this progress and growth needs to be balanced considering the environment of this most beautiful land of yours.
A reporter from Panji Laukik Shilkar with senior video journalist Tulsidas Chari.
It's time for a short break. Stay tuned.